Huddle. To come close together in a group, usually to talk secretly or stay warm. We huddled during the game. Entice. To attract or tempt someone to do something, often by offering something they like or want. They tried to entice me with money. Elope. To run away secretly to get married, especially without telling family or friends. They are planning to elope in the morning and will be married in the another city. Rage. Very strong anger or violent anger. He got a rage at the argument. Twirl. To spin or turn around quickly and lightly. She is twirling the lace with her hand. Gawk. To look at someone or something in a stupid or rude way, often with your mouth open in surprise or shock. He is gawking at her. Bash. To hit something or someone with force. He bashed on it with hammer in anger. A big party or celebration. We will go to a bash party next week. Unwind. To relax after being tired, stressed, or busy. I went to the beach to unwind after a busy day at work. Glee. A feeling of great joy or happiness. We danced with glee after passing the exam. Vanquish. To defeat someone or something completely in a battle, competition, argument, or challenge. We vanquished them in the competition within 20 minutes. Shudder. To shake suddenly because of fear, cold, or disgust. He gave a shudder in the cold room. Kindle. To ignite or light a fire. These woods are too wet to kindle the fire. Scoff. To laugh at someone or something in a way that shows you think it is silly or not important. He scoffed when I shared my idea with him. Intrude. To enter or interrupt a place, situation, or someone's privacy without permission. You intruded the room. You should have knocked on the door.